The next editing feature that you should know is how you can reply to comments that you get on your TikTok videos with video. In fact, let me show you an example of what this looks like. I created a TikTok video that was a reply to someone's comment. So you can see the sticker is their original question to me. And it says in the caption that this is a reply to the course consultant. So here is the original video where they asked me a question. This video right here. You can see that this generated quite a few comments. There we go. You can see the course consultant's question on this video, and you can see my reply to it. You get a little preview of the TikTok video as well. So how do you do this for your account? Let's go to another TikTok where someone has asked me a question. Here's a TikTok where I shared some of my favorite business books. Now, if I tap into the comments, I can see that Jose P asked me a question about the 4-hour work week. He says, can you tell me your opinion? How was the book? So to answer this question with a video, all I have to do is tap on the question, and then I get this option that says reply with video. So tap that, and then you can see in my screen, his original comment is brought into the TikTok creation mode. And as I was trying to move it, TikTok says you can adjust the comment sticker after recording. First, check to see if you need 15 seconds or 60 seconds. So let's leave it on 15 seconds. Sometimes I like to tap the record button. Other times I like to use the timer and just give myself a 3-second countdown. And here we go. I read the book back in 2012, and it was so good for my mindset to get into the mode of creating my own life and my business that matches what I want on my terms. All right, so there you go. I have just recorded my answer to the question. Hit the red check mark. Now we can actually move the sticker around. Of course, you want to be aware of not making the sticker go too far to the right or down. And the cool thing about stickers is you can also tap it, and then you get that set duration option. So you don't have to show it for the entirety of your video. You can make it disappear just like I did in mine. So really handy feature to engage with your audience and give them information back in return. For even more trainings like today's video and 300 done for you video ideas so that you can grow your business on TikTok or Reels if you prefer, head to videosvault.co. This is my 2-part program that gives you 300 video ideas for your coaching, services, or product-based business. And it gives you all the how-to demos and tutorials of how to make TikTok videos and Reels. It is a jam-packed program, and it's helping business owners get up to speed very quickly when it comes to short-form video marketing. So head to videosvault.co to grab yours today, and I'll leave the link right below this video. To ease in revenue, I'll see you in the next video.